We are into the heart of Chicago. We are heading to North Avenue Beach, guys. So stay tuned. You will see a great skyline view from the beach. We will show you everything. For now, we're on the way to the North Avenue Beach. We are into the Wacker Drive.
Wow. I love Wacker Drives. These are my favorite.
See guys, this is a lower Wacker Drive. You must have heard of Doom 3 movie that happened down here.
Oh, really?
Alright, we are at the
Chicago downtown?
North Avenue Beach.
Yeah, North Avenue Beach.
So, as you guys can see, we'll show you the skyline and everything. Look at this behind. It's just amazing how many people are coming to enjoy the beauty. Look at this. People are playing soccer. In other way you can say it, football. You know, plenty of space to enjoy. You have to cross over this bridge to go get to the North Avenue Beach. It looks very happy and excited. The kids are right there. Alian and her mom. I got her toys for the beach to play at the bridge. You see the city of Chicago over there, and the beach is over there. Guys, we're excited for the beach. As you can see the Chicago skyline in the background. Everybody's here. The waters. Look at that. Perfect day they're enjoying. Alian is having a great time. Ayat is too busy collecting, what are you collecting, Ayat?
Seashell.
She's collecting seashell.
Finding a whole bunch. I only found two though.
Lettuce called ice cream. They sell ice creams as well. Look at this view, guys. Look at this view. Look at the boats over there. Eating ice cream? Wow. Are you eating ice cream too?
Yeah, do you want to know what they did?
What?
There's a whole Oreo inside here.
Nice. Good. You like it?
It's the
Okay. Both are far deep in. It is way deep in. Due to the rain coming in, we decided to head back home. It was going to show the fogs all over the Chicago, so we decided to stay away from the city and go by the house and watch the fireworks. So it was, nevertheless, it was a great time. look, baby, look. Look up. Wow. Wow. Look at this guy. Oh, quiet, come here.
Sitting on his phone.
Same here. Wow, look at this. Beautiful. Whoa! Wow, look at that. Amazing.
𝗕𝗵𝗶𝗶𝗆, help me!
Ayat. Look. Wow. Whoa. Wow, look at that. अरे अन्ना भी आनंद दे रही ना खा रहे हैं तो look colorful